Well, Soto's proving to be a very durable warrior. Banal is hitting with a lot of punches, solid punches. Hanggang ngayon, hindi po bumabagsak si Soto. And in fact, the last round, binigay natin yung kay Soto. Nice left jab coming from Soto. Now he's beginning to dictate with that left jab. And maybe this is the routine that we were telling him that maybe he should have done from the start. Banal is looking to engage.
Palitan sa kita ng lona ito dalawang boksingero.
Ang kailangan ni Banal, pressure na si Soto. Kasi okay niya. Kasi may reach advantage yung kalaban.
Pero
tinatamaan yung si Banal. Again, Soto.
Hindi pa kalapit si AJ Banal. He's electing not to. Normally, pag ganyan, mas matangkad yung kalaban. In fighting na lang gusto mong gawin.
Push him to the corner.
Pero hindi nangyayari ito.
Now si Banal is going back to his circling routine. Galaw ng galaw.
Still very
moving
active.
Away.
Footwork ito si AJ Banal. Glances at naiwasan niya yung mga jab dito si Bambino Soto. Paul Bambino Soto looking to last itong laban na ito, but at the same time looking for that opening.
Nakatama doon si Soto. 2 shots, right hand to the face of Bazooka Banal.
Napangiti naman doon si AJ Banal. Pero pag napapangiti kasi yung boksingero, marami ibig sabihin niya dito. Hindi talaga niya tinamaan. Kung natamaan siya.
By the way, we all remember that there was a very famous, very popular Mexican fighter also known as Bazooka, si Rafael Bazooka Limon.
Yes,
the man who dethroned Rolando Navarrete as the WBC Super Featherweight champion back in the 1980s. Right hand! Nakita natin yun, mga kaibigan. Tumama sa panga. Soto, down.
Sinagan!
Will he survive?
Sinagan ni AJ Banal. Tatayo na to.
Soto knocked down. Soto knocked down. A beautiful right hand. Soto still groggy.
Pinapalo up na.
Banal is going for the kill. It's over. It's over.
May nakinili na nasuntok. AJ Banal
scoring a stoppage.
at staggering back to his corner.
A one